YouTube? Good morning, Paul Bates here at Daisy, day 31. Who thought it would go 31 days? Here we are, a month into this thing. Well, we're back to work a little bit, so I'll talk about that in a minute. So right now, market is up, crypto is up, keto dirty. I gotta clean my keto up. My shirt's getting tight. I can feel it. Anyway, I took Daisy for her morning walk. And then I had a very, very busy day at work. So I check in at work at 8 o'clock, and it's just a super busy day here. I'll show you some pictures here. Our first truck left for Washington today. So that's exciting. You know, I hope those guys, wish them the best. So right now we're shipping panels to Washington, D.C. So we'll see throughout the week here. We probably should finish it up this week. Might have to work Sunday, Monday, but that'd be about it. That'll end it. So anyway, I got a letter also yesterday from the VA office, which is exciting because it means that I'm on the radar. And the reason this is so important to us is because my parents need this money. The cost of living that they have in this facility right now, probably about $5,000 a month. I think it's $44,000, but by the time you pay for everything, it's closer to $5,000 a month. And they only have $2,200 a month coming in. So I think with this VA right here, we can get, they get like $1,700 a month. So it'll help out big time. It'll extend their years tremendously, and we need that. So anyway, I was on that. I had to run over to the doctor's office, they forgot to fill out a line for on my mother's form. And so then I ran it over there, and then today I'll go pick it up, or tomorrow I'll go pick it up and take it back over to the VA people. So that's something that I'm taking care of. Also, another thing that I'm looking at, and I found out yesterday, was grant money. So on this whole COVID-19 thing, there's the SBA. You can go in there if you have any side hustles. Well, what side hustles does Paul Bates have? Well, he has this YouTube channel. He's got folded metal. He's got his motorhome that he rents. So a lot of stuff going on. And so I do have a side hustle, so I do qualify for that grant, and I'm going to apply for it. So maybe I'll add the link down here below, but if you got any type of side hustle, if you're Uber driving, anything, and you've lost income because of it, you qualify for this grant. And I'll go ahead and put a link to another channel where the guy talks about the grant itself and who qualifies and how much money you can ask for. Anyway, it's closed right now because it ran out of money, but the funding was re-upped. And so when it does open up on Sunday, Monday, I'm going to be on there and apply for it. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, peace out. Day 31, practice social distancing. We don't want to see anybody with that COVID-19. I did talk to my mother yesterday to see if there was any more COVID-19 in the facility that she's in, and right now there's not. But also, you guys got to remember, this happened 2 weeks ago, and so we're right at probably that 2-week, maybe 10-day mark since we've got the first case in their facility. So I'm curious to see in the next 4 or 5 days if there's any more in the facility. If there's not, that's going to be great news. If there is, I could spread through there. So anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, peace out. Love you guys. I'm going to start revamping my other channel too. So it was WW3. I think I'm going to call it the Financial Freedom Channel, where I talk about my stocks and my cryptos and what I do weekly on those. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, peace out. Love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.